Here's 5 reasons no one's buying your product and how you can actually fix every single one of these. If you're running a business right now and wondering why your offers are collecting dust, this is your wake-up call. So let's keep it real. You post your product, you get crickets. You feel awkward every time you try to promote because you don't want to sound pushy. You're watching other people who aren't even as good as you make consistent sales while you keep tweaking your logo. You've been told, build it and they will come. They're not coming. You think you need more followers before you start selling, but that's actually backwards. The truth is, consistent promotion equals consistent revenue. But most people just promote wrong. The captions are off, the content feels spammy, the timing sucks, and worst of all, you don't have a system. But that's exactly what you're going to learn inside of this free webinar on July 24th. Inside the Push the Product, I'm going to break this all down. Exactly when to start promoting and how to know when it's time to push again. How often you should actually be promoting. Hint, it's probably more than you think. And I'm going to show you the exact format for promo videos that actually convert, how to turn one video into 5 pieces of content so you don't sound like a broken record. Now, I'm going to give you my full content bucket system that makes consistent content effortless. This isn't some sort of fluffy motivational Zoom call. It's real strategy from someone who's done it consistently. And look, if you show up live, you get access to a special promo video deal that's not offered anywhere else. That's not clickbait, it's just fact. So I want you to, stop scrolling, go ahead right now, mark your calendars for July 24th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go ahead, tap the link right now in the description or wherever you see it and register right now. Register now. Your business literally depends on this.